Hey guys, welcome back to All Things with Wheels. Today I'm in a winter wonderland, but it's at the end of April. I don't understand how this is happening, but it is, and I thought I'd take advantage of it and bring my Danchee Ridge Rock out on probably the last snow of the year. So without further ado, drop a like and subscribe, and let's do some awesome crawling. Alright, I have never crawled in the snow before, so let's see how this thing does. Lots of snow on the tires. Look how big the tires are. What? Look at that! Look at that! What in the world? That looks hilarious. My gosh, this snow might be a little bit too wet to crawl. Oh my gosh, look at those wheels. Okay, so I'm gonna keep going, see if the tires get any, oh, there we go, if I just punch the throttle, there we go. Oh no, am I stuck? This thing never gets stuck, there we go. Let's continue our trek down the hill. Punch it, get some snow off. Man, it's gorgeous out. It's early in the morning and look at this, just fresh. Look how sparkly that is. That tree, wow, this is amazing. We're about to find out if this thing is really waterproof because you can see everything's getting covered in snow. The tires are completely white now. It's kind of cool. Punch it. Oh no, I think I'm stuck. Yep, okay. Let me punch it. Some of the snow off. Nope. Nope. Okay. Let's continue crawling. That dog wants to watch the crawler. It's actually doing really well. Snow's really hard to crawl on because there's almost like, it's like crawling on ice. There's like no traction. Point proven right there. You just dig yourself out a big old hole and get stuck. Ah, come on. Get a new area. Well guys, it just stopped working. I don't know what happened. Probably too much snow on it. Some water got into it. I'll clean it off, dry it off. Hopefully we can get it back up and running. I hope we can. I'll be ashamed if it's broken. But we had a great time out here, really short, really fun. If you like this video, drop a like and subscribe. And as always guys, I hope you enjoyed. Farewell. Thank goodness guys, I just brought the Danchee and it's actually not broken. I was actually really scared there for a second. It actually just turned itself off. I'm gonna still end the video there because I don't want to break it because I just got the car and too much snow will eventually break it. So we still had a great time out here. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe.